Let's move on to our second example using the quadratic formula. And you'll notice that I've written the quadratic equation in a bit of a different form this time. Instead of y equals, I've set it equal to 0. We're going to be solving 9 times x to the power of 2 plus 30x plus 25 is equal to 0. So again, we're going to start off by writing our quadratic formula. X is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, all divided by 2 times a. Let's identify a, b, and c. So a is 9, b is 30, and c is 25. And now we're just going to put in all of our numbers. So we have x is going to be equal to negative 30 plus or minus the square root of 30 squared minus 4 times 9 times 25. All of that is over 2 times 9. And we're just going to continue simplifying here. So 30 squared gives us 900, and 4 times 9 times 25 also gives us 900. So obviously the bigger numbers you can use in your calculator, or if there are decimals or fractions, you can always just put those into your calculator. And 900 minus 900 gives us 0, of course. So we end up with negative 30 plus or minus square root of 0 over 18. Now, you can take the square root of 0, and it's just going to be 0. So what we end up with is x is equal to negative 30 over 18. Okay, so notice here there's only going to be one solution. Now we have a fraction here, and this is one that's fairly easy to reduce. So we want to state our answer as a reduced fraction whenever possible. Right, so we can just divide the top and bottom numbers by 6, and we end up with x is equal to negative 5 over 3. And so we're just going to leave it as that. And then we want to end with the therefore statement. So therefore, there is one real solution.